When it comes to crypto, not many industries have actually merged into it, but gaming is an exception to that because GameFi is a massive industry right now with tons of populated players and allowing people to trade in-game items via different stores online. And today we're going to be talking about the Xai token because this is a massive opportunity where they have a huge platform run by nodes and you can own a part of those nodes for potential passive income. None of this is financial advice, but let's dive into this. So this is Xai, and Xai brings the scale of Steam and Epic Games to Web3, returning value directly to the community. And when you're implementing massive, high fidelity, super immersive and populated games into crypto, I mean, this is something where an opportunity arises for the people actually running that network. And how can you run that network and help power all of the microtransactions in all of these games? Well, you can do that by getting a Xai Sentry node. So what this is, it's basically a key to a node that's held in a server, and you will basically be investing in that node and helping run the entire network. And there are tons of different projects and games associated with this. But what exactly are the benefits? Well, because this is on Arbitrum, of course, it's going to be super speedy. There is a massive community. And of course, there's off-chain labs as well to help with that. Want to dominate your niche and flood your inbox with leads? Here's YT Ranker to help you build the right strategy and make it happen. First, let's open up an incognito window to keep everything fresh. This will ensure there's no history or cookies and will ensure unbiased results. Next, we're going to open up YouTube like you can see here. We're going to click on these three dots and we're going to see that yes, the language is English and the location is set to the United States. Now I'm going to search Saxo Broker as our keywords. And we're just going to press enter and see what comes up. As you can see, the first result here is my video, in fact, about Saxo Broker. And because of this strategy, we're ranked directly at the top of YouTube. Now we can try another one, best email hosting for my domain. We can press enter, and guess what? The first video that comes up is in fact me. So this just goes to show the strategy works, and you can actually go and test this yourself. So enough waiting. If you're serious about leads and niche power, head to ytranker.net today and make it happen. Let's get back to the video. Now you can get involved with this by purchasing a node key and even running a node on your computer via downloading. Now there are a few benefits to this. Obviously, this is run on Arbitrum, so super fast, super cheap, great for microtransactions in games and having a network going there. Also got obviously Xai's technology involved with this and off-chain labs to boost that. But the benefits of actually holding this token and becoming a node operator in the Xai ecosystem is obviously convenience. So you can get a Sentry node up and running in less than 60 seconds on any old computer, helping support and expand that network while earning potential passive income. We've got rewards here, so open up opportunities to receive rewards for contributing to the Xai network, and exclusivity where, yes, of course, these nodes are going to be super limited. So the earlier you get in, the better here. And as the network grows, so will the opportunities for the select few. So basically, this is like buying one of the servers at Google before Google was big, and then, yes, Google gets big. And gaming is a massive industry right now, multiple billions of dollars, and it's definitely something where the market share is shifting over to the GameFi side, because in traditional gaming markets, trading is actually not allowed, particularly with things like some Epic Games games. So this type of network is going to be great for solving that problem, because gamers at the end of the day do love trading and they do love the economy behind games. So having this is a great investment into that. Now, if you don't know what Raijin is, this is basically the flagship of blockchain gaming. We can see all these games here that are powered by this. And yes, there's lots of stuff that can go on. So definitely consider getting involved with that as well. But it's really about the node sales here. This is where the big opportunity is. Now, why do gamers care about this? Well, basically, guys, gamers obviously love trading, but they want this kind of gasless gameplay and they don't really care about crypto wallets. So what this system and infrastructure does, it allows them to do that, and blockchain will just run it in the background without having to expose them to wallets, copy and pasting, and all of this potential mistakes they could make. So fantastic stuff here. It's going to be a fully UI-based system running all of these games and the trading in the games, but on the blockchain where we can profit in the background by running the nodes. They're also involved with X Populous here. Now, X Populous, if you don't know, guys, they actually created Final Form, a highly successful game. So this could be something that, yes, they do bring out very decent projects surrounding this, then yeah, that could get similar success, and that would be beneficial to everyone on the network, particularly the node holders. So how do you get involved with this? Well, if you click the link in the description, guys, all you got to do is press download and you can start running your node. But you'll probably need to get a Sentry key as well. So getting that is super easy. All you got to do is head to this screen here. And yes, you can see how many Sentry keys we can buy here. So let's say we wanted to buy 10. That's going to be 0.16 Ethereum. Now, this is roughly, I would say, $350, which is super cheap considering you're investing in something that could take massive market share in the future. And once you're happy with this, all you got to do is select agree, understand, of course, and then connect your wallet to get involved. Now, Xai on X, you can see they have over 300,000 followers. So this is not a small project by any means. And you can see these guys get tons of engagement as well. So already a super successful project. And now they're allowing people to get involved with this node sale. So it should definitely be on your radar. And I think it has tons of potential for passive income. Now, the nodes actually only take about 60 seconds to set up. I know because I already have one. And honestly, guys, very, very simple to get started. But of course, this is going to be a limited availability thing. So if you want to get involved, you've got to get involved now. Use the link in the description. And that is going to be it for this video. So have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.